People are begging to give you their money, but you made these 3 mistakes that's going to keep your bank account looking awfully slim this Black Friday. What is going on, everybody? I'm Scott Moran, the co-founder here at SamCart, and these 3 mistakes are costing thousands of dollars in lost sales this Black Friday. Today's video is about testing your product page before you launch your own Black Friday sale. Listen, you've been working hard on your product and this sale for the past few weeks, and it's finally time to share it with the world. But before you hit that big red launch button, okay, there are a few things that you need to do first. Number 1 is edit your mobile site. Okay. Number 2, test your links and videos. And number 3, run a checkout payment test. With the upcoming influx of traffic to your site, your customers are going to be coming to your page from all different kinds of devices. And we see so many lost sales from sellers who don't have a formatted product page that looks good or works well on mobile. This includes making sure that your images, your headlines, your videos, and any special embed code fits within that mobile screen. And the good news is SamCart has a built-in mobile editor in its drag and drop builder. Simply switch from desktop to mobile view, and you can readjust mobile text sizes for your headlines and body copy. If folks can't read it, then how do you expect them to buy it? You can also check to see if your columns got shifted around and if everything still looks nice and smooth for your mobile visitors. And you better believe that when you buy on SamCart from a mobile device, that it is as optimized and easy as ever. SamCart also offers the ability to show certain widgets only on mobile or only on desktop or both. So if you want one section to only show up on desktop, maybe it's graphics or really video heavy, then you can turn off the show on mobile toggle for that widget or that section. The final mobile test is to open up your page on an actual phone and just scroll away. See if everything is legible. See if everything still flows nicely together, right? Which brings us to mistake number 2. If you're building out a robust sales page, then you might have included some images, links, and videos. All of these can easily fall apart if the wrong code or incorrect sizing is punched in. So what you want to do is go to your site like a visitor and click on every single link, click on every single video, button, tab, arrow, image gallery, everything. It can be tedious, but these small details matter so much when it comes to turning visitors into paying customers. And now that every link has been checked, switch over to the mobile view and repeat that same process on your phone. Finally, and the most devastating mistake sellers make is forgetting to test out their checkout process and delivery system. If you're selling an ebook, a template, or a guide, is the most up-to-date file inside of SamCart and ready to be delivered automatically to your customers. If you're selling an online course, make sure that your SamCart product is synced up with the SamCart Courses app. And don't forget that you can enable auto-enroll technology so your new customers go right from buying immediately into your members area without your students ever having to go verify their email or reset their password or do all those steps that lead to frustrated customers who never even get what they bought. With SamCart's auto-enroll, all of your new students are just automatically added to their course and ushered right in to your SamCart Courses app. And the final test is that checkout process. You can switch any SamCart product from live mode into test mode and run a test transaction where no money ever changes hands. You can use our dummy credit card number, which is 4242 repeated 4 times. So 16 digits, 42424242424242, right? Any future expiration date and any 3-digit security code, that's what you plug in test mode to run a test transaction. And you will see exactly what your customers see when they check out. All of your integrations actions will run. You will be sent right into your SamCart Courses app if you're using auto-enroll technology. You will get a receipt that looks exactly like your customers. Everything will be exactly what your customers experience. Open up your email inbox and look over those order summaries, the receipts, and any welcome emails that you have fired off. And if everything looks good, then you, my friend, are officially ready for Black Friday. So guys, I am so excited. Black Friday is like our Super Bowl, and this is the last crucial step before you are ready to launch your own Black Friday sale and turn it into one of the biggest days your business has ever had. So to wrap up this video, I want to reiterate the importance of testing your sales page before launching. Take advantage of SamCart's test mode and run a test transaction. This is going to help ensure that everything is running as expected and there are no errors or problems with the website, and will make sure that your customers get exactly what they need the very first time. The goal of testing a site should be very simple. Find any potential issues that might keep a customer from placing their order and getting exactly what they bought. And believe me, the time to correct those things is now rather than later, when it will be your customers telling you that something is broken. So make sure your mobile site looks great, your links and videos are working, and of course, test that checkout process. Black Friday is just around the corner. My name is Scott Moran, the co-founder here at SamCart. Thank you guys for joining us on this Black Friday extravaganza. And cheers to you and your business's Black Friday sale. May it be the most profitable day in your company's history.